Welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is intended to introduce you to React.js. React.js is a JavaScript-based library. So in this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to what you need to do and to install in order to get started learning React.js. First, you need to download and install the Node. The Node is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows you to learn JavaScript based code on your machine. So for you to get started with the React.js, then you need to download and install the Node. I have already downloaded mine, so I will not go through the process of downloading the Node.js. Next, you need to download and install a code editing software such as VS Code or any other that you may choose, such as PyCharm or Sublime, based on your preference, so that you can learn it, or you can learn your code on that code editing software. I have already downloaded and installed VS Code into my machine, and for that reason I will not also go through the process of downloading and installing the VS Code. Next, you need to go to visit to the Vite website. This is the newer version of creating the React.js. Down the website until you get to this line of code, which we are going to use to get started with our React.js tutorial. Next, then I will go to I've already created my folder on VS Code, and so all that I need to do is to start by creating another folder, and I will call this one front end, because JavaScript normally is a front end library. Then I need to open. Then next I need to cd into the folder that I have created, the front end folder, front end. Once I'm into this folder, then I can paste the code that I copied from Vite onto my VS Code and hit enter. So you need to give your project a name, and by default Vite has provided us with this name. I'm going to stick with it, so I'm going to hit enter, then select the framework that I'll be using. In my case I'll be using React, so enter, and we will also be running our React.js on pure JavaScript. So select JavaScript and hit enter. The program will just simply tell you what you need to do. So now we need to cd into Vite project, the project that we have created earlier on. So cd into this file, or rather folder, project, Vite project. Then learn npm install. This is the line of code that we are supposed to learn. Hit enter. The process is going to take a bit of time, so I will be back once it is through with the installation.